Today, I'll be showing you how to operate the headlights of a 2014 Mustang. You'll find the headlight control located on the dashboard to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. The first position on the dial will have the lights turned off, with only the daytime running lamps being active. Rotating the dial to the second position will turn the parking lights on, as well as your taillights. Pulling the dial out towards yourself will turn on the fog lights. An orange indicator will appear next to the dial, confirming the fogs are illuminated. Pushing the dial back in will turn the fog lights off. Selecting the third position on the dial will activate the headlights. Once again, pulling the dial out turns the fog lights on, and pushing it in turns them off. The fourth and final position will engage the automatic headlights. Selecting this function will automatically control your headlights, turning them on and off by monitoring daylight with a sensor at the base of the windshield. Your high beams are controlled using a lever on the left side of the steering column. With the headlights on, push the lever forward toward the front of the Mustang. A blue indicator will be displayed on the instrument panel, letting you know the high beams are active. To turn the high beams off, pull the lever back toward the rear of the Mustang. The blue indicator will disappear, as well as your high beams. If you'd like to learn more about the 5th generation Mustang, check out one of the video recommendations coming up next. Thanks for watching.